The what is solubility? The solubility means the maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved. For example, there is a solute is there and as well as solvent is there. The maximum amount of solute when you add it to the solvent, so that maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved in specific amount of solvent means either 1 liter solvent or 2 liter solvent or half liter solvent. In the in the particular half liter solvent, how much amount of solute can be dissolved? That should be maximum. So to form a which one saturated solution, it has to reach saturated solution at given particular temperature is known as solubility. So for this solubility, which factors are going to be affect the solubility? Affecting the factor, first one is the nature of solvent. So nature of solvent and solute also we can take solute also. For example, so nature of solvent means so solute and solvent. If the both are like dissolve means solvent in like dissolves like. That means for suppose if solute is the polar in nature, if solute is the polar in nature, solvent also if it is in solvent also polar, then the solubility will be occur. The solubility will be occur. And non-polar solute with dissolved with non-polar solvent. Non-polar solvent. Both should be which one? Either polar or non-polar. Here polar will not be dissolved with non-polar. Either if it is solute or if it is a solvent, this one will not be occur. So solute dissolved with solute should be polar, solvent also should be polar, then only that dissolution will be there. At the same time, non-polar should be solute, non-polar solvent also should be non-polar, then only which one solubility can be occur. So this is the one of the factor which one polar and non-polar. That means it should be, it is depend upon solubility depend upon nature of solvent and nature of solute. And coming to the temperatures, next affecting factor is temperature. So generally solubility increases. Generally what is happening here, solubility kya hoga, what will happen, the solubility, if the solubility increases due to increasing the temperature, due to the increasing the temperature. And so where it is for applicable for endothermic reaction only. Endothermic reactions only, not for, this is not suitable for exothermic reaction. In exothermic reaction, so solubility decreases by increasing temperature. By increasing temperature in exothermic reaction, already temperature generally will be increased, so no need to increase the temperature. So if you will increase the temperatures, automatically what solubility will be decrease. So this is the one of the another affecting factor. The next one, third affecting factor will be solubility of solids. It's depend upon pressure. That generally solids, solids and liquids. Solids and liquids, the intermolecular distance is too low, is too low. So packed already they are packed. So if you will trying to compress, if you are trying to compress, they are not going to, which one already it's packed. If you are trying to compress, you are unable to compress these things. Already they are compressed because of the packing. They are already compressed. So then there is no use. There is no use, and there is no any. There is no effect. There is no effect because of pressure. So pressure will not give any effect for the solubility. So nature of solvent and temperatures will be affected by the will be affect the solubility, but pressure will not give any affect the solubility. So I hope you understand. Thank you.